Back to school is sneaking up on us, and DIY expert Denise Wild going to help you customize that first day. And we've got the coolest fabric here. We're going to make something.
We have lots of fun stuff, and yeah, it's all about, you know, getting ready for that back to school season. So I have lots of great ideas.
So you're going to make your own little sandwich container?
Yes. So let's start off with this DIY snack bag. So what you can do is put your favorite stuff inside. I just took like a waterproof outdoor fabric.
So that you would use, and that's what I'm playing with here.
Exactly.
So, something you would use to like make cushions with.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. So 2 stitches, add some Velcro, very easy to make, and then you can put your snacks in here. So this is great if you are fueling up for your your sports activities or your busy weekend afternoons. It's important that kids have fuel that will energize them, keep them going and growing. This is the Cliff Kid Z Bar. It is an organic bar. It's a great snack. It tastes delicious. It's got 10 to 12 grams of whole grains and no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors. And then it's a taste and texture kids will love and 3 great flavors. And then you can pop it right into that bag for your sports activities and your busy weekends.
Can you put a sandwich in there too?
Sure, you can.
Yeah, and it washes up really easy,
Definitely,
right? That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Okay, you made these cute little things for lunch.
Okay, so this is a great idea for surprising your kid in their lunch. This is a little heart-shaped mini pizza. They could even help to prepare them before, or you can give them a little surprise, because who doesn't love a pizza day?
Even I could help prepare
Yes,
this.
Exactly, perfect. So what I did was I started with an English muffin, and you can start here. I used a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Let's do single layer. And then you can add your tomato sauce, add your mozzarella, and then I use Butterball turkey pepperoni, which is a lower fat alternative than regular pepperoni. So
I'm just going to do this.
Yes. So it tastes really good. I love it. My daughter loves it. You can eat it hot out of the oven or cold straight from the fridge. And if you want recipes or project ideas, you can go to butterball.ca or visit them on social.
That's
See a little,
so cute.
Little pepperoni heart. So adorable.
Cheesy.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, and then I'm going to get crafty here, which is my thing.
Okay, so Annette's going to get started making a little name tag while I'm talking about this. So
I'm going to start now because I've got a really long name.
Right. Yes, so many letters in that name.
So where did you get all these pieces from?
So these are just from various craft stores, dollar stores. You can pick up all of your favorite crafting supplies for the fall.
So this is just something then that would click on to wherever.
Yeah, exactly. And then let's talk about the mess. Fall can be really hectic, really busy. So you want to definitely make sure that you have all of your cleaning stuff in order, whether you're following your kids around or maybe you're going room to room. So I put together this caddy with a little label. I did a sticky glitter paper with sticky letters, and those are just from the dollar store as well.
Is
and
this
then you
to get the kids to help?
Well, you might be doing it on your own, but you might be following them around because of the mess. But I've got Family Guard brand disinfection products, which are new to Canada last year. They come in 2 scents, citrus and fresh. And it's really about leaning into the mess, accepting all the messes that will come.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's totally fine. You go with it, and it's that time of year, so it's okay. They also have a contest going on right now, so Canadians can enter to win up to $10,000 in prizes at FamilyGuardBrandContest.ca.
Okay,
How's that going?
I think I need to cut the end of it. It's going okay.
A little bit sharper. Okay, Annette has lots of layers. So what she's doing is beating together
If I were Tim, this would be so much faster.
It would have been done a lot sooner. And then this is a fun idea that you can add to any of your back to school items. So just a cute little name charm, a little labeler, just a way to personalize. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, if you're
okay, I do need Yeah, I do need
and my
scissors
aren't here too. Okay.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, perfect.
Look,
Let's have a look.
I got my name right. All right. Oh, that's so cute. And then it's stretchy, so you can.
Exactly. You can even put it on your shoes as a little decoration, a shoe charm.
You're so organized. You're probably already all ready for back to school.
I'm not ready, but I'm ready to get ready. Right? It's a good time to start.
Okay. We'll get all your links up on our website, chch.com.